Hi, everybody. Good morning. We wanted to roll out some exciting DECA spring events for you. It's something that we had as a goal this year that we wanted to try to offer more events after that district and state competition. So here we go. We hope you're excited for some of these different things. What you're going to find as we move forward, we have some different competitions for you, some other things called DECA challenges, and also some other free local courses that could be something that you want to check out. Let me slide this up first real quick so we can take a look at it. This is what the format is going to look like for you. Let me increase the size of it so that we can see it okay. So as you're going to see, it's going to be broken down by month. And one of the first ones I actually just talked a little bit more about on another post is this Westchester University Business Idea Competition. If you competed in any of the business plan events at DECA States, I'm going to highly encourage you to submit your ideas to this because it is a high school only division and you can win up to $2,500 in cash prizes. You can also see as you go on down through, most of the things that are going to say challenge are going to be DECA challenges that again result in a cash prize. Follow those links so that you can take a look at it. Some of them are brand new. What it is that DECA is working with their corporate sponsors so that they can bring some more events to all of their members. Moving on down from there as we go to March, we're incredibly excited to offer another overnight trip, which is that brand new event for us, the Susquehanna Sales Competition. The trip is currently on a wait list, but if you still have an interest, we're happy to put you on the wait list. You're not going to lose any money. Some of these other items, the next three things, are actually through Penn State Brandywine. So Penn State has a program through their entire satellite campus and main campus network called Launchbox. Launchbox is their innovation/entrepreneurship initiative. Many colleges across the country are having different things like this. So the one that Penn State has is called Launchbox. So the Launchbox networking event with live pitch, the free podcasting boot camp, and also the free Women's Founders Chat are all through Penn State Launchbox, and it could be something that you have an interest in. The following one, Westchester Area School District National Business Honor Society, is something just for those of you that are high school business class members. We'll be rolling more information out to you. There are requirements that you have to meet so that you can become a member of that. It's going to look wonderful on your transcript. And even if you're a senior, it's going to be something that if you're a member, you're able to wear one of the NBHS cords at graduation. Moving on to the next one, in April, that live business idea challenge event will actually be just right over on campus. It's a pretty cool pitch event. There are live investors there. We have a basic chance to go see a Shark Tank event in our own town. So I'll most likely be heading over to that. It's right before our international trip to Orlando. And then lastly, coming on down to May, we have the last 3 or 4 years, we've been hosting a DECA picnic. We'll get that date out to you and get that information, but that's just a fun wrap up end of the year thing. And we hold that right here on campus with food, fun, games, stuff like that. And then lastly, if you have already done a project management event for DECA, or if you've got some type of community service event that you really want to get involved with, we also have another connection to a nonprofit called Lead for Change. Lead for Change is another challenge event, and it actually has on May 12th, that's their final submission for another round. The top prize money in that is $10,000. So I wanted to kind of touch base on all of these different items that we have here because some of them are not really a speaker that you go see on the date, but it actually is focusing on the due date for something that you might want to do. If it sounds like it's a good fit for you, reach out, let us know how we can help you out. We're just really excited to be able to offer some of these other opportunities for you. Also coming up this spring, more like in May, we'll actually be having our East DECA officer elections as well. So stay tuned for that information. Have a great weekend. Take care.